My name is Tom Clow. I work with Joe Bullard Collision Center. I'm the manager here. I'd like to take a few minutes to share with you why I would take my vehicle to Joe Bullard Collision Center. Joe Bullard is a family-oriented company, and you can tell because once people come into our departments, they stay for long periods of time. We have somebody who just celebrated their 45th year, and it helps us as a higher standard that when you have somebody that's on it with you for years to come, that believes in the same quality that you try to expect or look for in their repairs. They want to learn the new technology and the new techniques and apply them to the vehicle. It's nothing more satisfying to have somebody come back from a week of school and they want to talk about all the good things that has changed and that they've learned, and they're ready to apply it to what we do here. One, I'd like to share the training that our people go through. Each one of them go through a level of ICAR or manufacturer training. We have sent 4 of our guys to get aluminum certified. 2 of them have the Jaguar and Land Rover. But it's not just Jaguar and Land Rover. You know, our aluminum program reaches out to Ford, Infiniti, Honda, Acura, as far as the certification levels that we have. One of my gentlemen has the highest training standards there are for the aluminum program. We have all the latest equipment. The biggest thing I guess I would like to brag upon is the Spinisi measuring system, welding system. It is by far some of the best equipment that's out there. Most shops in the area choose not to get into the aluminum repair to the extent that we have. The nearest facility that I know of is Flowood, Mississippi or Georgia. Up until our certification, you would have to take the vehicles to those locations. We've chosen to invest in the equipment and the technology and our people. The other thing I want to mention also is we're an environmental friendly shop. We really look after what we do with byproducts, thinners, we have recyclers, we have gun cleaners. When we're done with anything that we have, we're looking for a source to reuse it. We do everything we can to keep the impact on the environment as safe as possible.